Hello, today I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope as in Jazzy Rosie. Plenty people dey come my inbox come ask me say whether police go fit arrest them without warrant. My inbox dey full. I no go fit answer everybody. So that is why to answer that una question, I wan do am as video today. Police go fit arrest you without warrant? The answer na yes. But Section 38 of the Police Act 2020 don talk wetin go make police arrest you without warrant. One of those things na one, where the policeman or police don suspect you say you commit offence. Im suspect you say you commit, no be suspicion, like im suspect you, im get reasonable ground say you don commit offence, im go fit arrest you without warrant. Another one na if you commit offence for policeman front, you no expect am to go dey get warrant to arrest you. Im go arrest you there wey you commit the crime. Another one, I know say some places if police go arrest person, police go arrest A, busybody people B go wan come stop police make him no arrest A. That one dey obstruct the police officer from doing im job. Im go fit arrest you without warrant. Another one na say e be police person, or e be army, e be any of the armed forces, e dey there, e wan run from duty, oyibo call am this, e wan desert your duty, e wan run, you no wan do your duty, policeman go fit arrest you without warrant. Another one na say e dey plan to commit offence, una dey plan, una don dey put the plan to commit, policeman go fit arrest you without warrant. If policeman see you with offensive ordinance, im go fit arrest you, im no need warrant. Or im see you with this one, im go fit arrest you without warrant. Another one na say policeman go fit arrest you without warrant to protect small pikin or to protect vulnerable people. You know say get people wey be say like people wey need wey dem be special children or special adult wey need special care. If you wan begin treat them anyhow, police go arrest you without warrant. If judge or magistrate don issue warrant make dem arrest you before, another police officer wey no hold that warrant, if im know say warrant dey to arrest you, im go fit arrest you without warrant. Now wey you don know say police cases dey where police go fit arrest you without warrant. So your own na to make sure say anytime wey police come arrest you without warrant, say the reason wey wan arrest you without warrant fall under these things wey I list. If you no fall under these things wey I list, ask for warrant. Thank you. You wey dey watch my video, when you watch dey share, no dey keep am to yourself. Thank you.